So in this Freecash tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make your profile private here on Freecash. So once Freecash is opened up here on the main screen, just go to the top left and select on the initial or your circle. Once you're here, go to the top right under My Profile and select on the green gear icon. Once you're here, just scroll down to the bottom under settings. Now for me under profile, it says private or public. Wherever that circle is shifted towards, that's what the account is. So in my case, it's private, but for example, if it was a public account, it would then be green, and I might get a notification right here. But if I wanted to go ahead and switch it back, make sure that that is now switched off from green. So as you can tell, your profile visibility has been set to public. If I were to go ahead and change this to private right here, which I will do, I'll wait a couple seconds for it to confirm. There you go, your profile visibility has been set to private. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how to make your profile private here on Freecash. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.